Good morning to all the Kouga residents out there. My name is Eugene Genis, and I'm one of the committee members of Mighty Men Jeffreys Bay. And man, oh man, we are so excited. We are filled with excited. You know, that kind of excitement that you have when you are expectant of what the Lord is going to do in your life. And we want to welcome you to our 8th event. We have hosted 7 events before, and this event is growing. It's growing by numbers, it's growing in spiritual depth, and you're going to miss out if you're not going to be here. We want to thank each and every one of the people who made it possible for us to host an event such as this. This is the biggest event in the Kouga area with regards to men gathering, and then, of course, the family joining us on the Sunday morning. We are looking forward to seeing you here. We want to thank each and every person that opened his heart and opened his hands, and everybody who's praying for us, everybody who's supporting us, everybody who's buying into the vision of the Mighty Men Jeffreys Bay, just to make Jeffreys Bay a better place, a better community for us, to restore marriages, to restore the community, to restore businesses. And that is why we are doing it. We are doing it for the people in Jeffreys Bay and the surrounding areas, and we are looking forward to seeing you here. You can see at the back there's a big cross, and the stage has just arrived. The tents are going up. There's ablution facilities. There's camping areas. So fathers, bring your sons. Bring your grandfathers. Bring your uncles. Men only on Friday and Saturday. And then, of course, expecting the women on the Sunday morning with the families, as Dad Angus will bring us a message right out of the heavenly throne room. Hoping to see you there.